I don't know how you can see like how big this horse is. This horse is really big. Come here.
Go forward or back.
Nah, you just like jump off the banister if you want to.
Yeah, I would just pop.
You want to do it, bro? You want to do it?
I want to do it.
Well, let's see if it, I don't know if it's deep enough.
It's like fun, you know?
I don't know if it's deep enough, to be honest.
It's like a lot of fun.
Yeah, there's a lot of trees, so we should be good. Yeah, hold on to this tree. Fucking treacherous. Let's find a way across so we don't gotta do that again. She was indeed rough. For real. So that shit cut me up a little. I've had it before. It's not that big of a deal, honestly. Whatever we can do. Let's go this way too, because if that way I feel like we can for sure get across. So let's go this way.
This way looks crazier.
But if we get across that way, then we'll never see this way. I don't think there's gonna be a way across over here. Know what I mean? So essentially, we get to do both. Let's feel the water. Freezing. All right, we're gonna find a way across this waterfall, even if we have to jump across it. Because I don't want to go back up that way.
I will not go up that way. No matter what.
All right, I mean.
You do not want to double my place now.
True. Neither do I. These rocks are pretty neat. Pretty neat. I think I see a way. Never mind. The only way would be if you jump from there to there. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. This might be as close as he gets. Probably coming a little closer. I might want to come by me. Might want to come give me a little kiss. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? He's big. It's a big horse. I don't know if you can tell how big he is in the camera, but I'm standing up straight and I'm literally as tall as his back. What's up, buddy? It's a big ass horse. Those two over there are even bigger.
Hey.
Ah, dude. I didn't realize that.
Oh my gosh.
What's up, buddy? This thing literally shocks, dude. I didn't even realize that. What's up? What's up, buddy? So big. Don't touch this fence. Don't touch the fence, bud.
She's like a baby, dude.
This is literally just a baby. Ooh.
That mom's about to give birth. I wonder how big they are when they like come out.
I can't believe this. Literally, I was leaning on this fence this whole time. This fence literally just shocked me. I didn't feel it till right now. Like I was leaning on it. I was good, and then like must have like went through my shirt a little bit and got me. I don't want to be by its back legs when it kicks, but I'm gonna get a picture. I'm gonna get like you in comparison. Oh, you scared it. You saw that comparison, right? Three, two, one, send it! Ah! Bro, that was a baby ass splash. That shit did not hurt.
Hey, look for my GoPro!
Oh, he's swimming fast. That shit's cold.
Lucky if I do this, I'm gonna do it without my shoes on, because it's hard as fuck to swim with your shoes on.
He's swimming fast.